Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm working on this awesome palette sign that my husband built and stained. It was beautiful. And then I decided to distress it, and I covered all that beauty up. Sorry, hon. So now I'm putting the transfer. It's so good to be home. And I'm just going to use our chalk paste, black velvet, and of course our tool that we use is the squeegee. Oh, I'm adding a little bit of distilled water to it because it was a little thick. You want it like the consistency of yogurt. So you just dab it on there and then apply it with your squeegee. Get it all over your transfer, all over the netting. The turquoise color is the sticky part of the transfer. The white is your netting, and that is where your design is going. Smooth out all the lines and the excess, and then take off your transfer. Now this is where I found out I distressed it more than I had planned. The transfer is so sticky, as you can see, it pulled off some of the white paint that I put on there. It was kind of a happy accident. I actually like that. So, what do you think? Do you like it? Thanks for stopping by. Bye.